and lurks. Finest meat you could get, but he don't move around in your stomach like mole rat does. Right dangerous, those
Gross.
things. Just as soon take your head off as look at you.
Okay, do you have a bed in here? Can I... Nope. Alright, then. I'm literally about to die, so... See what I got here. There we go. All better. Yeah, those fire ants, dude. They fucked me in my ass. That's why I left. I'll go back there later. Whoa! That's a lot of mines. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see if I can do this. Whew, that was scary. Ah! What in the helly? What was that all about? Ooh, what is that? Is that a centaur? Yeah, that's a centaur. Couple of centaurs. Ew! Ew! Disgusting. I think I might go in this door here. Yeah, I think that's where I'm supposed to go. It says, yeah, it says so. It says so. Like, is it my first time playing? No. Is it my first time playing on stream? Yes. I've played this a few times. Who's in here? Who's in here? Ah! I hear something. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, where's it coming from? It's making really gross noises, and it opened a door. It opened that door, didn't it? Bro, what is it? What is it? What the fuck is it? Son of a bitch. Leave, 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 leave. How do I leave? Hurry, hurry, before the Mirelurk fucking sees you! Ah! No! I didn't watch the TV show, and I have no plans of doing such. That was scary. I'm gonna go up here instead. Who's this? Ah! Ah! I don't know why I did what I did. I'm a dumbass. You can't see me! Death. I want your ammo! I want all of it! Who is shooting at me? You all the way over there. I'm coming for you.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Yeah, you're gonna die! Yeah, I don't know what you thought you were doing. Now let me go grab up my other loot. What do you got? I already searched you, but I meant to grab that grenade. That one they were beating to death for some reason. Weapons. Okie dokie. That was fun. But I am very low in ammo. Oh god. Oh god. Rat roaches. Mirelurk. A Mirelurk is the one I'm worried about. I don't understand. Come on, come on. Oh no. Oh no, I can't get out of the water right here. Okay, okay. Tepid sewer. Okay. Dukov's place? Is that a bad guy? That's a good question. Whoa, my health is... Oh my god, dude. I don't know why my heart isn't beating out of my asshole right now. If you look at my fucking health, I have none. Keep your weapons holstered or else get shot. How do I holster my weapon? Oh, well, that's not fucking how. Keep your weapon holstered. You will get shot. Got it. Got it. Hello? What's happening? Why do you guys look like you're naked?
Oh, baby, let me get you something special. How about a Duke of Surprise?
What the fuck?
Never mind. You need a drink. Jerry, need some fucking booze over here. Haha, they're my party girls. I'm too much man for just one woman, so I need two. I wear them out every night.
Oh.
Why should they bother getting dressed when I'm just going to take it off?
Oh, so these are just your horse?
Hey, what's your language, clown shoes? I don't pay them. They take care of me, so I take care of them. We rub each other wrong all night long.
Oh my god. I don't think I remember. I've played this before. I've never been in this guy's house. Hooch? Let me get some of that hooch, brother.
Help yourself, clown shoes.
Oh my god,
Grab
he
one from
nicknamed
the
me
liquor
Clown
cabinet.
Shoes.
I never trust anyone without a drink in their hand. Of course, I never trust one that does either. Ha ha! Sure, didn't I? Eating, drinking, farting, and out here nobody bothers me. Hey, don't let... Hello, sweet chicks. What? Never mind. You...
Hello, sugar. Hi, sugar. I'm Cherry. Do yourself a Dukov likes to keep it hot. It's pretty much he just does a lot of drinking and partying. He's a lecherous old man. The only reason I put up with him and his needs is because I'm safe
Quit
here.
chewing on yourself, dude.
He tends to shoot first and ask questions later. Don't pull out a weapon near him. He's likely to shoot you. And he's... You're a pig. You know that? I'm only doing this because he can keep me safe. He's a lot tougher than he looks. I'm not sure how much longer that will be enough, though.
Only
Oh!
can take me to Rivet City.
Oh!
This guy is an animal.
She's coming with me,
Not in
dude.
a good way.
I just asked her to
But I'm
come with
safe
me.
here. Let me pack my bags. Oh, wait. I don't have any. Let's get out of here.
Holy shit. She's going with me. Oh my god, that's so cool.
Hello, honey. I'm Fantasia. You're not going to be staying long, are you? Dookie doesn't like me to wear a lot. He says it slows things down. He's all right. He can be a real fun guy, but he sure knows how to wear a girl out.
A fun guy?
Don't get in a shooting match with him. Sweet for him, maybe.
Quit. No,
I'm
stop
just
it.
along for the ride.
I swear to god, my
He's
animals
good
won't
with
quit.
a gun and knows where to get booze.
Okay.
Hey, be more careful.
Sorry. Sorry. You said I could take alcohol, but I don't know where I was supposed to take it from. Something about a liquor cabinet, but I don't even see a liquor cabinet anymore. This place is huge. Yeah, I've never been here. Wow. Oh my god. Whoa! Whoa! Now that is fucking
Hello.
sick. What the fuck? Oh my god, I played this game. I've beat this game multiple
Have
times.
you seen Cherry? I think the bitch ran out on me. You need...
No, I haven't. I don't know where she went. She's literally right behind me. I'm really confused on how to get there. But we'll get there. I think I might need to go into the sewers.
I'm out of here.
Oh. Oh. Well, who is that? Why are... Oh no, I don't want the Enclave to be after me. Stop! Why is that guy even shooting at me? Oh my god, and I literally have 1 health. I'm gonna die. Swear I die. Hey bitch. Hey bitch. If we don't go back inside, I'm gonna die.
This is hopeless.
I'm sorry. I have to go this way.
This is hopeless.
No, it's not. I have to fast travel back to Tenpenny Tower before I die so I can fucking get some health, ho. Oh my god. Where's the enemy? Okay, we gotta get away from that red dot there. Okay, good. Perfect, perfect, hurry! Fast travel! Oh my god! Yes! Take me home! Whoa! 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 Put that fucking switchblade away! What?
Give me a second. Keep your panties on.
So many things are happening. I just wanted to have a good time. I got. Wait, you know what? I did have a good time. I got me a booby girl. Stole me Dukov's whore. Let's go. We're gonna go into it. Oh my god. I love how when I open doors and she's like, "Hi! You smell nice." I heard a gunshot.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, we're not getting out of here. Calm down. Did that say 0%? No, it didn't. Okay. Cherry?
Help!
I am.
I'm out of here.
She's so dramatic.
We're outnumbered.
What are you talking about?
We're outnumbered.
Oh my god. There's
This is hopeless.
more mole rats.
No!
Did she die? Fuck. Damn, dude. She died so fast. Alright, whatever. She said, no! And the mole rat that killed her took off. Into this room. Don't know why. Don't you love this game? How it's like really bugged and doesn't register that I just shot this thing in the face twice. That's what you get for playing an old game, okay?
He said that I like the Fallout 3. It's my favorite Fallout.
Hello? Oh. Ew. That's scary. I don't know if I have a strong enough skill to do this. Nope, I don't. And I missed. I think I need to get closer to it. Oh, I can see gas. Oh, okay, maybe it's not. Maybe I'm fine. The turret doesn't seem to be attacking me. I don't know. Maybe I'm fine, maybe I'm not. Guess I'll find out. Oh! Not fine. It was a Mach 1 though. So easy to kill. They hit you straight in your face. Yeah. I go through lots of mazes and end up with nothing. I got Rock Salt's key.
From me?
Nope, I am not hiding from you. Yes.
Better hope I don't find you.
You're not gonna find me. I'm not hiding. Ah!
Yeah. Tear 'em
You
apart.
jump scared me, guy. I don't like being jump scared. Not cool! I'm smashing the VATS button! No! No! That's a waste! No! Do not! You fucking bitch! You piece of dog shit! You are a fuck-faced little piece of shit! Fucking moving behind the goddamn wall so my bitch fucking glitches and doesn't even fucking shoot you! Ooh, actually, you know what? No. I saved right before that. Fuck you. You're not fucking me. Fuck you. Fuck you in your fucking ass, dude. You don't even have a fucking name. The other one had a name. Meaning, he was supposed to be more difficult to kill. You're literally retreating. Oh. Are you kidding me? Like, point blank? Like, you should have died from the other bullet. This game fucking... Ooh. This fucking game, man.
Hi, buddy. That's okay.
You want a little...
Ow. I love getting shot point blank with a fucking shotgun. I swear to God, there better be a fucking bed down here. That's okay, I literally saved right before that. But there better be a fucking bed down here, dude, cause oh my God. This is annoying me. No, I don't think that's a good idea. I missed!
It's go time.
Well, at least I hit him that time.
I'm gonna tear you up. Kick ass. I'll tear you apart.
Something behind me just like blew up. Dude, come on. Whatever. I don't understand how. I don't know if you're paying attention, but I am shooting this guy, and he is going down like a sliver of health, and then he shoots me, and I know his shotgun is better than my gun. I'm aware of that. Like, I can switch to the shotgun. But that's not the fucking issue. He should be getting hurt by my bullets. See, that didn't even fucking hurt him! Oh my god! I shot him point blank, dude! He is not strong. This game is super bugged. If I was on Fallout 4 right now, these guys would have already been dead. That was really, like, I just leveled up. I'm pretty sure. That was the level up sound. And it took, you see how long it just took for the level up thing to pop up? This game is old, and it does have a decent amount of bugs because they don't patch them anymore. So, I'm not surprised. It just, I'm valid in my frustrations. Okay? I want my lockpick up, right? And then, how do I do... I want science to go up. Meow. What? No, I don't really care about that. What? Oh my god, this cat. He just keeps meowing at me. Toughness. Gain 10% to damage resistance up to maximum of 85. I think I'm gonna do this one. Yeah. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Alright.
Okay.
Fuck both of these guys in the ass. La 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 la. Okie dokie. Now that I had a full-on crash out, we can continue. I'm gonna get blown up. I'm gonna kill myself. Alright, let me go in here and check for a bed. Oh, look, a bed. Oh, thank God. All better. Ooh, I got an assault rifle. The lawnmower blade. Did you know? Like, you see how I can get really close to this fire and it doesn't hurt me? Okay, well, sometimes when I'm playing games, I'm a little bit dumb and I don't know. You know, all the games are different, so how are you supposed to know? Right? But like, on Fallout 4, there's like fire on the ground and I definitely was like, oh my god, is this gonna hurt if I step on it? The answer is yes. It does. Hello?
Now,
Oh no!
From the vault. We've been looking for you.
Excuse me?
What? You think you can walk around the wasteland doing the evil that you do, and there is... And now...
Hell no. Get your ass over here. Do not back away from me, spraying the shit out of me like that. What the fuck? I might go back to my last save, to be honest. That's how annoying that is. Oh, great. There's super mutants here attacking the regulators. Perfect. I'm probably gonna die, though. If I get shot at all, I'm gonna die. Like, I literally have 1 health right this second. Oh. I do not want to get attacked by super mutants. That is water. Give me 1 second. Let me figure out where am I supposed to be going. Alright. So I made it to Georgetown West. I need to walk over here. Oh, okay. What is over here? It says there's a monster. It's a fucking super mutant! Dude, that sucks. My health is fucking low, dude. Alright, come on. Come on, don't kill me. Please don't fucking kill me. I really don't want to deal with that. I'm gonna hit you really hard here in a second if you just let me. Oh, good, great. He's reloading. Come on. I know you guys see that red dot. I think it's just a centaur. Right there. Yeah, it's just a centaur. Who else is shooting at me? No. I'd rather fight with the centaur. I will just, like, casually hop away. Oh, except for there was something scary that way. We're gonna go this way. I don't know if you saw that. There's a bunch of super mutants, and I'm kind of fucked myself here. Come on, kill him faster! Kill him faster! Come on, run, bitch, run! That one's got an assault rifle! Woo-wee! Ah! Hurry up, Elvin! Holy shit! You're kidding me! You're kidding! Okay, well, I did save, like, right after I killed this guy, so. And all I have to deal with is a centaur. I'm gonna skedaddle my ass over here really fast. And kill this centaur, and then try and find somewhere to be safe. Oh, this thing is disgusting. How come my shotgun's not hurting it? My 32 damage shotgun's not hurting it, but my hunting rifle from super far away hurt it. That doesn't make any sense. Now, try and go hide. 'Cause there's a bunch of mutants over here. And there was people chasing me. Let's go hide over here. Save. Yes. And then figure out how to safely get to Rivet City. Not quite sure how to safely get there yet, because there's fucking super mutants all over the place. There's a centaur, and he definitely saw me and is coming after me right now. This is not something I wanted. I'm trying to do things strategically. And I don't think I'm gonna properly hit him because of this. Come on, stand up. Stand up. Okay, I am currently hidden. I'm gonna save again because I don't want to fight that fucking centaur again! I know there's a super mutant down there, and he had a really scary gun. That's the direction I need to go, though, so I'm gonna do a little peek. I don't see them. I don't see him. I don't see the super mutant, and there's no red dots popping up, so that's good. Just keep an eye out. This is a really big open area. There's not very many places for me to hide. Okay, okay. I'm gonna stop crouching for a second. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Oh, I actually made it safely all the way over here. Okay. I do have to get off soon, so. Georgetown South, huh? I think I need to go down there. And it looks like there's a bunch of radiation down there. That's fun. I made it! There's bad guys in here, but I made it! Museum Station. I made it. I discovered the museum station. And am I supposed to go into the building or into the... Hello? Who are you? Hello?
Another human with a death wish. Welcome to the... Those knuckle draggers? Nah, they don't bother us ghouls. Maybe they see us as kin or something, I don't know. Now those other assholes. Yeah, you know, those humans like you. Well, maybe not like you, I don't know, but humans all the same. The Brotherhood of Steel guys with their testosterone and power armor. Those...
Okie dokie. I made it! This is Rivet City. And that's Moira Brown. We made it.
How are those hot little... Because, you know, they're on the ground. Anyway, what's up?
Oh, I don't know if I have a mine for her anymore. I might have used them. Mine for her anymore. I might have used them.
My
Oh, I
very
do. Oh.
own landmine. Oh, just what I've always wanted. Well, always since I sent you out on this anyway. Now, tell me all about it. What was it like going through there? What's it like disarming a landmine? Lots of places are nowadays. Good work staying alive in tough conditions. It'll be a great example for the book.
Staying.
I know you may not want to see any more explosives for a
You
while.
love a typo.
But obviously you know your way around them. Have a couple rainy day toys of mine. And looking... Yes, that's what I need your help on. I know lots about it from books, but I never seem to get a live example. So I need you to get a... Really? I should be able to take care of that for you. But first, let me... Well, here's hoping you don't have to get anything worse for a while, huh? Now, let me take a few notes, and I'll handle that nasty radiation with a bit of my own homemade Radcure concoction.
Oh.
Okay.
Just maybe
There's
lie
a
back in the
ramen
middle of
milk,
the floor.
A couple magnets, and maybe a few happy thoughts. Well, what do you know? It worked! I mean, I was pretty sure it would, obviously. Here, take a few radiation chems with you. I'm sure you'll run into more in the future. Yup, you've done a great job. I just need to add in the section on how to cook rat. And this chapter's done. Here, for your services, I've saved up quite a few stim packs. Of course, you may need them. We still got 2 more.
4 stim packs out of the 10 I wasted getting here.
The second chapter is going to be a bit trickier, I think. It'll cover how to handle creatures out there, for better or worse. For
Oh, I
example,
hate this.
repelling mole
She
rats.
wants me to go kill
Or learning
Mirelurks.
about Mirelurks. And when all else fails,
I don't
Then
want
we
to
get to
go
work on
kill
this chapter.
Mirelurks.
what's first?
I have to go back to Grey Ditch and help the little boy with the fire ants.
I mean,
Alright, and, yeah. She wants me to get crippled. I can probably do that. I'm, like, falling from somewhere high up. Whoa! What the fuck? I've played this before. I've been in here. Underworld journey. Is this new? Because I don't remember doing this. I saw, so it says that there's like people, when I looked up where to get ammo from, it said in the underworld. And I'm like, what's the underworld?
junk is my business.
I've played and beat Fallout 3 like 3 or 4 times, but it's been years. So, I don't know what the fuck, what is the underworld? So apparently Sydney and Tulip in the underworld have good stock of ammo and stuff, but there's also someone named Flak and Shrapnel in Rivet City, and I thought I was in Rivet City. I discovered the museum station. Am I supposed to go into the building, or? So I'm a little bit confused. No, I'm at the Museum of History. Moira was making her way to Rivet City. So I thought that this was Rivet City. But this is the Museum of History. Which also leads me to the underworld, though. And I don't know what that is. And I kind of want to go inside. But I think that is where we'll leave off. Like, this will be our next episode. So, you know, you guys have something to look forward to. I have something to look forward to. We're gonna go to the underworld.